You may have noticed that whenever you open a Google Doc, you see some things up at the top. You see these chips up there. In December of 2024, Google Docs came out with even more ways to get started quickly with your building blocks. So these are some that just automatically appear. You've got templates. So they have over 40 templates that you can choose from. You can click on meeting notes and automatically start creating meeting notes. If you want to collaborate with someone on an email draft, you can do that here, and then they have more. To see the more, I'm going to select Shift A, and I can start searching for people. I can search for documents by just typing what I think something is called or the person that I'm looking for. So if I'm going to do IAR, right, it's automatically going to recognize files that start with that title. So let's say I'm in a meeting and I want to give somebody access to that. I don't have to go out to my drive to find it and find the link and copy the link. I can do that within my Google Doc. The same thing if I want to find a person that I communicate with, I can just say at this person, and now that person is going to be entered there. From here, I can send them an email. I can send them a message. I can send them a video meeting invite, or I could schedule an event right within my Google Doc. Let's go ahead and look at some more things that we can do. From here, I've got my smart chips. So the usual, the date, the drop down, the stopwatch, the timer, the task, variable, vote, placeholder chips. I like placeholder chips because I can keep it as a placeholder. So let's go back to Shift A, and now we're going to go back to our building blocks. They're listed here for me, but I could also see all of my building blocks. Another panel opens up on the right-hand side, and I've got all of my building blocks here. If I want to use one of those building blocks, I'm simply going to say Insert. So now I've got a task tracker. I'm going to assign this to someone. As soon as I click there, it's going to open up another menu for me to find who I want to assign this to, and I'm going to just give this a title. From here, you could start to incorporate other things that Google Docs offers you, right? So from the title, I could go to Insert and I could start to create my new drop down. So I could say the title is going to be, department chair, team leader, that sort of thing. So I can create my drop down option. So let's say that these are district employees. And I'm going to be working with the directors, admin, teacher leaders, and that's it. So I'm going to delete this fourth option. I'm going to spell directors correctly, and I'm just going to assign them each their color, background, and text. I don't really do a lot when I'm formatting these unless I'm feeling really special. All right, and so now I'm going to say save. I can take this now and I can paste it into these other two. So now as I'm using this tracker, I can say, okay, I'm going to give this task is going to be assigned to this administrator. I can put the person's name there, right? Regardless of what building block you choose, you can edit them. So this one was the project management one. And so you'll notice that they've already populated some drop down items for me. I can then edit these. So if I click on that, I can add and edit options. Project management, I can change that name, I can change the template name, and I can change the colors. So anything that you put onto your doc that you get from your building blocks is editable for you.